What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. So y'all see, man, today we in traffic, man. We finna get in traffic with RnB. It's a pretty day. Gonna bust some blocks and stuff. What's doing, Tina?
I just got finished planting my flowers.
Planting flowers. Planting flowers with her pawpaw, y'all. So yeah, man, we finna get in traffic. I'm wiping old RnB down, call that pollen. I know we're gonna get right back on it, but I'm using the waterless car wash. Do a quick little wipe down, then I'm gonna hit the road. So y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna tune in to y'all from the GoPro. got to.
Tell them what? They say hit it one time for him.
Do a little something.
Hey, he said just a little bit for
I gotta be some train smoke. We gone. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. Been rolling. Y'all, oh, it dark, boy. It dark. Let's see, man, it ain't good light right here. God almighty, boy. Hey, y'all just gonna have to see it. I'm gonna have to look like a shadow, man. But, man, we been rolling, man. Y'all see, she's so pretty. I need to get a picture, man, cause y'all know I wanna, I need to get a picture with this shirt on, man, cause I wanna rep this company, man. This is a nice little company, whatever. Said get them some free promo. The love is black. I had bought this shirt a long time ago, man. You know, I support all business as long as it's good business. Alright, we're checking in, y'all. Man, hollering at one of my people, man, from my hometown. But yeah, man, y'all done brought the stuff and left the funnel, man. I brought the perfume and left the funnel. That's what I finna pour in here, y'all. Let's see. I ain't trying to put that in. If I get something to hold it open, it will be good. Let's see, y'all. You want to push rod right here. That joker fall in the tank, y'all. Yeah, we ain't gonna do that. We'll see if we can get something to hold the tank open, man. Then I just pour that. I pour that down the hill. It right here. Put some of that smell good in there. So let's see. Put rod fall down in there, man. I'm gonna see if I can find some, y'all. Alright, we made it back, man, to the house. Good ride. Like I said, just a cruise day, man. Just decided to bring y'all with me. Boy, hot out here. It's hot out here. Just decided to bring y'all with me, man. Just cruising through the town or whatever. A little turn up action. Y'all can see no outside action, man. Made it. Y'all know we always got to make a shakedown, man. We made a good one, too. It was a mean shakedown with a tank full of gas. It's a mean little shakedown, man. But all in all, good day. Feel good outside. They ain't over with. I'm finna just get some work done or whatever, but I had to get a little crew. Man, I'm talking about non-stop driving. Didn't cut the car off except to get gas at one time. Non-stop driving, man. RnB run good, man. She run good. She run good and cool and all of that, man. So there was some good riding with her. So next time I do some heavy ride, it's probably gonna be with Dolo. But not this week. Cause like I said, I'm I'm gonna take this thing to the track, man. We got the new plugs in it. That was the problem with the gas. Got to change them plugs out, man. You gotta keep them plugs changed with that nitro. That was just me slipping on it, but they good now. That's all I know. They good now, so I ain't gonna drive this bad boy till it's track time. And the only thing only place I'm gonna drive it is on the trailer. I'm gonna take it on the trailer on the wheels like this, so I ain't gonna be putting no heat in the well, so the engine will be hot, but I don't want to say the plug fresh, man. I want them fresh, cause I'm gonna turn that gas on again, and we're gonna see what's to it, man. Y'all watch, it's gonna be a different now if I get traction. Cause like I said, Middle Georgia, a stickier surface, a much stickier surface. They're just keeping it real. Nothing against none of the other tracks, but it is what it is. I like going to all the tracks, but Middle Georgia is stickier. And get them things to work, man. They'll bite down there. So that's the plan, man. Like I said, this was a good little B-roll vlog, man. A lot of music, cruising and stuff. Y'all seeing the scenery through the side window and all that, man. But y'all know, just stay tuned, man. We're gonna come with, I got a lot of more vlogs coming. I said a lot of more, that South stuff. I got a lot of vlogs coming though, man. Y'all just stay tuned in. So that's it. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.